Dear friends, today I am telling you about Camila Cabello Estrabio. Camila Cabello Estrabio is a Cuban born American singer and songwriter. She rose to prominence as a member of the girl group Fifth Harmony, formed on the X Factor USA in 2012, signing a joint record deal with Psycho Music and Epic Records. Born March 3, 1997, age 24 years, Coimar, Cuba. Height 1.57 meter. Albums: Romance, Camila, 727, New Music Daily presents Camilo Cabello. Parents: Alejandro Cabello, Suno Estrabio. Cabello's debut studio album Camila 2018 reached number 1 on the Billboard 200 chart. The Latin music influenced pop album was critically well received and received a platinum certification by the Recording Industry Association of America (RIAA). Its lead single, Havana, topped the chart in several countries including the US and UK, and follow-up single, Never Be the Same, reached the top 10 in multiple countries. Dear friends, if you are new to my channel and you have not subscribed my channel before, please like and subscribe first so that every new video that can reach you. Early life and education. Cabello was born in Havana, Cuba to Susana Estrabio and Alejandro Cabello. She grew up in the town of Coimar in East Havana. Her father was born in Mexico City and is a Mexican who moved to Cuba. She has a younger sister named Sofia. For most of her early life, Cabello and her family moved back and forth between Havana and Mexico City. When Cabello was 6 years old, she relocated to Miami, Florida in the United States with her mother. Her father was unable to obtain a visa at that time and joined the family approximately 18 months later. Career. Camila Cabello auditioned for the TV talent competition show The X Factor in Greensboro, North Carolina with Aretha Franklin's Respect. However, her audition was not aired because the series did not get the rights for the song. After elimination during the boot camp portion of the process in Miami, Florida, Cabello was called back to the stage along with other contestants Ellie Brooke, Normani, Lauren, and Dina Jane to form the girl group that would later become known as Fifth Harmony. After finishing in third place on the show, they signed a joint deal with Psycho Music owned by Simon Cowell and Epic Records. On July 23, 2021, Cabello released Don't Go Yet as the lead single from her third studio album Familia, announced alongside the release of the single. Artistry. Primarily a pop and R&B singer, Cabello possesses a soprano vocal range. She grew up listening to artists such as Alejandro Fernandez and Celia Cruz. Her debut studio album is a pop record influenced by Latin music. The album incorporates elements of reggaeton, hip-hop, and dancehall, and took inspiration from contemporary Latin artists such as Carl 13 and J Balvin, as well as from songwriting of Taylor Swift and Ed Sheeran. Personal life. Cabello was in a relationship with dating coach and writer Matthew Hussey, whom she met on the set of the Today Show. They dated from February 2018 to June 2019. Since July 2019, she has been dating Canadian singer Shawn Mendes. The relationship has caused controversy as both were accused of attempting form a relationship for publicity. While Mendes denied it, stating it is definitely not a publicity stunt. Cabello has opened up about having anxiety and obsessive compulsive disorder. Cabello currently resides in a Mediterranean style villa in Hollywood Hills, Los Angeles.